This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks with Chase. First, you'll need to open a Chase self-directed investing account. This can be done easily online through their website. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. A minimum of $50 is typically required to start investing. After funding, you can begin researching companies and selecting stocks that fit your financial objectives. Chase provides robust research tools within your investing account. Use these to analyze company performance, review financial statements, and understand market trends. It's crucial to consider a company's overall financial health and its industry outlook before making a decision. Remember, diversifying your portfolio across various sectors can help reduce risk and potentially improve long-term returns. Once you've identified the stocks you want to buy, navigate to the trading section of your Chase account. Here, you'll select the specific stock by its ticker symbol and then specify the number of shares you wish to purchase. You'll also choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. After placing your orders, it's important to regularly review and manage your investment portfolio. Keep an eye on market news and set up alerts within your Chase account to track stock price movements. This proactive approach helps you make informed decisions about when to hold, buy more, or sell. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.